Hi, good day. I'm Virgil Bolano.
And I'm Elamine Jordan-Tero.
We are a third year student of Amando Cope College. So, our topic is all about types of phrases. But before we start, what is a phrase? As we all know, a phrase is a group of words that has no meaning. But based on the internet, we have a phrase is a group of words that function in a sentence as a single part of speech. A phrase doesn't have a subject or a verb. For example, we have Ella riding in a car painted in red went to the mall. So riding in a car painted in red is a phrase, but it has no subject. Although we see a verb, but it's not actually a verb, it's a gerund. So I'll leave it to my partner to discuss the types of phrases.
Okay, let's proceed to the first type of phrase, which is noun phrase. So, what is a noun phrase? A noun phrase consists of a noun and all its modifiers. For examples, the sports car drove the long and winding road. The sports car is a noun phrase. In the sentence pattern, we have here the STVDO because the sports car is the subject, drove the transitive verb, the long and winding road is the direct object. Another, I met your sister. Your sister is a phrase, so it is considered as a noun phrase. For the second type, we have verb phrase. What is a verb phrase? A verb phrase consists of a verb and all its modifiers. For example, you have been sleeping for a long time. Have been sleeping for a long time is the verb phrase. It consists of a verb and all its modifiers. Another, she was upset when it didn't boil. Was upset when it didn't boil is the verb phrase. It also consists of a verb and all its modifiers. Next, we have gerund phrase. What is a gerund phrase? Gerund phrase is simply a noun phrase that starts with a gerund. For example, signing autographs takes time. Signing is gerund. Signing autographs is the gerund phrase. Another example is strolling along a beach at sunset is romantic. Strolling is a gerund. Strolling along a beach at sunset is a gerund phrase. Also, we have the infinitive phrase. So, what is an infinitive phrase? Infinitive phrase is a noun phrase that begins with an infinitive. For example, her hobby to read mystery and horror books is interesting. To read mystery and horror books is the infinitive phrase because it begins with an infinitive. Another, Virgil likes to wear long dresses. To wear long dresses is an infinitive because it begins with to. So, for the remaining types of phrases, here's my partner to discuss it.
Okay, let's proceed. Next, we have what is an appositive phrase. So, an appositive phrase, it restates a noun and consists of one or more words. For example, my wife, the love of my life, is also my best friend. So, the appositive here is the love of my life. So, another we have, his goal to retire at 40 is unrealistic. So, to retire at 40 functions in a positive, but it also an infinitive because of the word to. So, for the next, we have, what is participial phrase? So, participial phrase begins with the past or present participle. For example, we have, painted a brilliant white, the small room appeared bigger. So, painted a brilliant white function as the participial phrase. Another we have, I am really excited considering all the people that will be there. So, considering all the people that will be there function as the participial phrase. And let's proceed for the prepositional phrase. So, what is a prepositional phrase? A prepositional phrase begins with a preposition and can act as a noun, an adjective, or an adverb. For example, we have, she was lost in the dark of night. So, in the dark of night is a prepositional phrase because it begins with a preposition in. Another, we have I waited for a while. So for a while here, it functions as a prepositional phrase because it begins also with a preposition for. And last but not the least, we have the absolute phrase. So what is an absolute phrase? An absolute phrase we have has a subject but not an acting verb, so it cannot stand alone as a complete sentence. For example, we have their heads hanging down, the whole group apologized. So their heads hanging down function as an absolute phrase. Another we have her voice floating over the crowd. Maria owed everyone with her natural singing ability. So her voice floating over the crowd function as an absolute phrase. Before we end our discussion, let us give you some exercises. So, the instruction we have, identify what types of phrases is used. So, number 1, hoping for a miracle, the doctors continued the surgery. So, the choices, is it a prepositional, participial, gerund, or infinitive phrase? Next, we have pushed beyond endurance, the runner dropped the baton. So, the choices, prepositional, participial, absolute, or infinitive phrase. And last, we have Melanie hoped to find a cure for the disease, but she tried to be realistic. So we have the choices. Is it a prepositional, participial, gerund, or infinitive phrase? So, for your answer, comment on your answer and don't forget to like this page. I hope you learned.